audience well-dressed.
Ay!
Well,
Para naman tong anghel. Hi, what's your name?
Jürgen. I'm Jürgen.
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 Jürgen, how old are you na?
19.
You're very cute, pero bakit yung hair mo parang pang matanda?
Kasi pang matanda rin yung kakantahin ko.
Ay.
Gusto ko kasing ma-inspire yung ibang tao eh. Like, na ma-appreciate na nila yung mga classic music.
Sige na, sige.
This song is your choice. Okay.
Sa'yo ay tunay. Nais ko sanang patunayan. Huwag ka nang mag-alinlangan. Ang sumpa ko sa iyo'y asahan. Tulad din ng mga may pag-asang sumisikat. Ang aking buhay maikli
Billy. What's up, bro? What's up? Pawayaw ka ako.
yung wagas kailanman. Ang sumpa ko sa iyo'y asahan. Ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin. Thank you.
Parang maganda yung adhikain mo na sa edad mong yan, kumakanta ka ng
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
No, it's really admiring to see a young kid like you sing Kundiman. However, you were straining yourself in that song. You're not comfortable with it.
I feel you have it in you. We just have to let it emerge.
So, ako yes.
For me, it's also a yes.
Okay, Jürgen, you got it.
Thank you, thank you.
Susunod dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent,